I just wanted to bring your attention to an amazing event that we're going to have on Wednesday, the 28th of February. It's going to be our first annual fundraising event. We're going to have a dinner rally. We're going to invite all our teachers, all our students, and our mentors, and we're going to celebrate the fact that after just under a year, we've managed to achieve some 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 clicks, 5,000 downloaded hours of learning through our different teachers. We're really excited about this opportunity because without your support at this fundraising event, we can't sustain this level of activity. And so it's an invitation for you to join us on that day. We'll be videoing it live on YouTube Live, and also it's an opportunity for all of those who really felt you've benefited from the Alshech Academy to become ambassadors, to become our ambassadors, to share the spread the light of Torah to the world. And I'm delighted to invite Elio to support us in this way.
B'ezrat Hashem, this is a personal invite from us to anybody out there that's benefited from the Alshech to really, like Shlomo said, become an ambassador. Like it's known, we're all used to fundraising, especially in the Jewish community, but we are looking for more ambassadors, meaning people that are passionate about the Alshech Academy and can take upon themselves to raise a certain amount of money. We'll set a goal for you, and you try your luck at going at your community, your contact list, your people that you have in your phone and your social media and your family and your friends, to try to raise $5, $10, $18, $100, $2,000, whatever it is that you can, to help pump up this momentum so that we can really make a push and raise the funds that we need. So B'ezrat Hashem, try your best to get in contact with either of us, to sign up as an ambassador, and to help us really make an impact here.
And I'm really grateful to Cause Match, who's helped us, people like us who've not done this before, to walk us through the process and to make it a very professional and enjoyable experience. So I look forward to you joining us for Wednesday, the 28th of February for our annual dinner gala.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.